Good morning, class 3. How are you? I hope you are all well. So now, and you are doing well. I hope you are doing well at home and preparing for your exam. Now, it's your grammar class, and today we will learn a very interesting topic. Lesson 9 articles, page 52. So now, let's start. You have to know what is the article at first. Articles are divided into two groups, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a and definite article the. But you have to remember why a and are called indefinite articles, because a and refers to anything, any place, any animal. So it is indefinite, means not fixed. But the, why the is called definite article? Because the refers to any particular person or any particular thing or any particular place. So have you got the difference between indefinite article and definite article? This refers to anything in general, but definite articles refers to any particular or specific name or any specific thing. Okay. Now you have also learned in the previous class how to use a and. Okay. Now here are some rules. Today I will discuss you the rules how to use a. A is used before the word that begins with a consonant sound. You have also read the rules like a car, a book, a man. Okay, this is the first rule. Where do we use and? You have also learned this before vowels. A and is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound, like an apple, an egg, an ostrich. Okay, so this is the rules of and. We have also learned in class 1 and 2. So A before consonant and before vowel. Now here is also some rules you have to learn in this class. A before a word that begins with a vowel but having the sound of u. যদি কোনো ওয়ার্ড ভয়েল দিয়ে শুরু হয় কিন্তু উচ্চারণটা ইউ দিয়ে হয়, তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা এ বসাবো। ফর এক্সাম্পল দেখো, এ ইউনিভার্সিটি। দেখো, this university, this word begins with a vowel but the pronunciation is university, u. So it is pronounced as u. So we press a, like a European, a Euro or a European. Why a? U or wa? A eucalyptus. Okay. A unit, unit, unit. It is pronounced as u. Okay. A unit. Okay. So these are the examples. Begins with vowel but having the sound of u. So we use a. Next rules. A before the silent H having the sound of a or o. দেখো, কোনো ওয়ার্ড যদি এইচ দিয়ে শুরু হয়ে থাকে কিন্তু যদি তার উচ্চারণটা এইচটা যদি সাইলেন্ট থাকে, মানে এইচটার যদি উচ্চারণ স্পষ্ট না হয় এবং তার সাউন্ডটা যদি এ অথবা আ আসে, অ অথবা আ আসে, তাহলে তো সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা অ্যান্ড ইউজ করি, লাইক আওয়ার। The proper pronunciation is hour, not hour. H is silent here. Okay, remember H silent. So an hour, honest and honest, an honest man. The proper pronunciation is honest, not honest. Okay. AR, HEIR, not AR, AR. So an AR, an honorable judge. Okay, not honorable, honorable. Okay, is that clear? So these are the rules. These rules are also in your book. Read carefully. Okay, but remember, if any word begins with H but the pronunciation starts with Bengali হ, যদি H দিয়ে কোনো ওয়ার্ড শুরু হয় কিন্তু প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশনটা H দিয়ে হয়, তাহলে কিন্তু সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা আর এ এন বসাবো না। ওকে, লাইক দেখো ফর এক্সাম্পল a historical place, a historical place, by a history book, it is pronounced as ha, Bengali ha, so like this is a, okay, a hotel, is that clear? Now here are the rules of the. Why do we use the? You have to know the rules. Why do we use the and why do we use the? First, remember, the is used before a particular thing or person. For example, if I give you example, he gave me a book. Okay. The book is new. He gave me a book. The book is new. Here, first, in the first sentence, the book, a book. Why do we use a book? Because it is indefinite, not definite. So a book. But in the next sentence, the book. Why we use the? Because the book is mentioned in the previous sentence, so we use the before a thing that is mentioned in before or in advance. আগে থেকে mention থাকলে the, is that clear? Like this is the boy who gave me a pen. This is the boy. Why? Because I have known the boy previously. This is the boy who gave me a pen. আমাকে আগে একটা পেন দিয়েছিল, so I use this is the boy. Is that clear? Okay. Another rules for you, the is also used before any particular thing, like before the name of any particular place, like we took him to the hospital. Okay, why the? Because hospital is a place we know. Hospital is a particular place where treatment is going. Okay, and in hospital provides treatment to sick people. Like the bank, the post office, all the organizations have separate one, and these are the specific place or particular place. So use the, okay, the hospital, the bank, the post office. Is that clear? Next rules, before the names of rivers, mountains, ranges, holy books, newspaper, musical instruments. It's a big rule, you have to remember. Before the names of rivers like the Ganga. Okay, next, names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Okay, holy books, the Bible. Okay, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Is that clear? Newspapers, the musical instruments, the tabla. Okay, the harmonium, etc. And before the thing that is unique in the world, like unique means how many suns are there in the universe? The sun, the moon, the stars, and also before the names, directions like the east, the west, the north, the south, the rain, the wind. Is that clear? So these are the rules. Read carefully at home. Okay, that's the end of the class. Thank you. Tata.